confused with our diversity? Is there anything I can help you with? Oh, you just like the aroma of our store, and you decided to see what is in. I see. Oh, now our whole life is very difficult to imagine without space, and imagine that right up to the Middle Ages, the whole of Europe and the Inter-West ate only in spilled, tasteless food, and the pleasure of eating was measured not by quality but by quantity. And now there is such a variety. All these spices, there are hundreds or thousands of them, and they all are created to make our lives brighter and just to lift our spirits. And how many medicinal properties almost every of them has. Do you have favorite space? You don't say so? Oh, salt and black pepper are so boring. Let me tell you about the most interesting and popular spices in my opinion. And of course I will show you this all. Okay? Let's sit down perhaps. Okay. Thank you. Are you compatible? Very well. How about a cup of tea with ginger? Yes? Okay, 1 second. This is ginger. Help yourself, please. Okay. Look, here is the space that is one of my favorite. This is coriander, also known as cilantro. Perfect smell. It's almost the most versatile seasoning in the world. Coriander seeds, deep bamboo, specific gentle aroma and fresh taste. Something reminiscent of lemon, zest, flavor and sage. And know that it is fundamentally different from a smell of Coriander is widely said as component of the famous seasoning curry and as a space to the second dishes, cheeses, sauces and soups. Dough for bacon, sweet breads and rolls, muffins and cakes that are flavored with seeds. In addition to bacon and second courses, coriander is also added to salads, especially the fresh spring salads with a wide variety of greens and fresh vegetables, as well as salts, syrups, jellies, puddings, fruit desserts, candies and marmalades. Coriander help very much to biggest food digest. Any severe food is digested 10 times better than taken with coriander, cilantro. Healing properties of coriander are known to all the pharmacists. Coriander is an excellent carminative, diuretic, tonic and stomach cure. It prevents excess of bile. Adding coriander in food is a good prevention of intestinal disease. This is cumin or serum. Perfect smells too. By the way, cumin translates from Sanskrit as smelling good, or really smelling good. Cumin is one of the species that have been known since biblical times. The smell of cumin is very well expressed, not a bit bitter and slightly sour. The spice is rich essential oils, protein, calcium. It comprises resinous substance and sugar. Cumin purifies the respiratory organs, removes toxins from the body, stimulates the nervous system and relieves heavy feeling after eating. There has beneficial effects on the cardiovascular system. Its use of spices improve their vision and brain activity. It aids in digestion and improve appetite. There is said to flavor bread and confectionery dishes from dairy products is an important component in pickling cabbage, cucumbers, tomatoes, picnic mushrooms, appetizing taste of zero spices, potato soup, fish, vegetables, salads, roasted baguette, and stewed pork dishes. Native Central Asian love to not know without cleaning. Perfect. And this is saffron. It is rightly called the king of the spices. It is one of the oldest and certainly the most precious and expensive spices in the world. This is because the taste and medicinal properties of saffron have no equal among the spices. Saffron is essentially a lotus stamens collected 5 or 10 days in the year when the lotus blooms for 4 or 6 hours. This is a very handmade work and that this food is so expensive. And Greece, Persia and Rome, saffron was set as a space dye, cosmetics and fragrance man. China is considered the birthplace of the spice, but it is grown in Kashmir, India. There is a beautiful but sad legend about the origin of crocus flower. Stamens of which are colored saffron. Beautiful boy names crocus fell in love with the beautiful nymph Samilax. She answered him in return, but the love did not last long. Soon wind and beauty become buried with the year, ardent courtship, and she decided to get rid of him. It is unknown what Smilax told the gods, but they were very angry with Crocus and turned him into a delicate purple flower with crimson stems, the color of his passionate love. But a little later, when understand the situation, the gods punished in Sidion's Relax by turning her in simple pintweed. Time put everything in its places. Saffron is a precious product, perfect product, which is highly attracted and worldwide, and pintweed is an useless weed that is repeat without regret. Saffron has unsally pleasant, sweet, tart flower with a slight bitterness. It is valued that the smell of saffron elevates mood, improves mental process, restores brain cells, enhances memory. Saffron is a powerful rejuvenating agent. It elemental sprinkles give skin elastic and improves face color. The spice affects all tissues of the body parts, especially in the blood. That is the circulatory system is wild. Culinary value of the kind of spices is not doubted. Saffron combination with any meal helps its deeper assimilation by the body process. Saffron is associated with the heart center. Its nature is give the energy of love, divided and comprised. Saffron is key to all space. It is main body of the medicines of oriental medicines. Okay, and this is worldwide ginger found its application as a spice and a medicine. Spicy flavor, delicate aroma, and a rich palette of useful properties have been synonymous of ginger for a long time. Ground ginger is a necessary ingredient in many recipes as a spice which you may have not even heard of. Remember gingerbread, for example. This season perfectly matches with meat, chicken, steamed vegetables, adding an exquisite acid, mild flavor to the finished dish. Ground ginger, diluted with water as a great paint relief and calefaction agent. Different masks for body and hair and cosmetics means based. Draw ginger air. Prepared in cosmetology. And great time tea you have today. Okay. Next, this is nutmeg. Pepper smell too. Nutmeg is one of the best spices that enhance food digestion. For this purpose, it is good in combination with spices such as cardamom and ginger. Nutmeg is one of the best means of calming the mind, but only in small amounts. It has a domestic nature and also the mind when you set in excess. Nutmeg is not similar to anything. It has their original taste. It's easily recognized by the smell aromatic space that has a warm, spicy, express taste. The aroma of nutmeg is strong and its spicy taste is a bit sweet. Nutmeg widely used in food industry, cooking, aromatherapy, limited as it's in medicine. Modern research has not confirmed the express medicinal properties of this plant, but rich in natural substances as base can be used as a vitamin food supplement. I think that it's all for today. Too much information at one time is not very good. If you're interested, let us continue